So the day has finally come where we got the new blower resistor, and here's the old one. It's got some rust in there. And then, like I said, here's the new part number, 22807-122. Has that same name, Slovenia or whatever. So I'm assuming this old one is factory then. So we're gonna get this installed in the Suburban here. So let's get over here. I know mine had this cover over the motor to maybe make it a little bit quieter. Maybe that was on some of the earlier models or something like that. I'm not sure, because I've seen other videos where that cover wasn't there or whatever. So let's go ahead and set this up. I believe this was 7/32. So got some of these screws here. Yep, that's 7/32 there. That one is there. So, and the third one I think was for the cover, and I think one of the screws was missing, so. That made me think that maybe it had been changed at one point, but. Let's get another light in there. I think one of these is a little easier to get to than the other one as far as the screws here. How does this thing go in here? I assume that's how it goes, like that. Now, mine only worked on all the settings except for high. So it actually could be the switch, but we'll find out. And last but not least, this plugs into the motor. Okay, so now we have this cover. I'm starting to think maybe I put that connector on a little too soon, because that's the connector's supposed to go through this whole hole right here. So let me see if I can get this back off real quick. Okay. I know in another video I saw a guy said that this orange clip locks it in. I don't know if I didn't just lock it. I don't know. But we'll put this cover up. Well, we'll run this thing through here. Put it through here and try to connect it. I'm not seeing a way to make this lock in here, this orange thing. Try pushing on it here. I think it's tight enough. I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but I don't think it's coming off. All right. I think that's about it. Alright, put this one last screw in here. Okay. Alright, now I believe there was some screws for just for this cover. Yep, here it is. And that was the 9/32. Yep. Okay. All right. Now we just have to check on put the switch back in. we'll test it. The funny thing is, I was just noticing here, is on the back of this switch, it's got 2 screws, and you can see the shaft just goes through to the back, to this part. And I kind of wonder if you can get this separately to change this. That would be pretty cool, because this whole thing's like, I don't know, like $100 or something. Maybe save a few bucks, but let's just plug her in here and see if it's working. Now that the resistor's been replaced, which I would say, I mean, I would think that that's probably the most common problem. Yeah, let's see. All right. So, okay. Low. Medium. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Still same thing. It's not working on high. So what I'll do is I'll take another look and see if I can get this switch separate. Because I'm betting that if I check the outputs on all this, I'm gonna find that one of these is the high, and it's not putting anything out. So, and I don't think, if I can get just this, it says Korea 0D29. There might be a part number right up here on top. What I think we'll do is we'll see if we can actually take this off right here. Gotta find another socket here. It's probably metric, so let's go get that. Alright, so let's see how easy it is to change this switch out. Doesn't mean that they sell it, but let's just see. Well, that's how easily that comes off. So I will take a look and see if I can find just this piece. However, I do think there might be something wrong with one of these buttons, because when I try to put it on recycle, it just flashes and goes back to fresh. So I'm not sure if that means that's a problem or a code, and that means that the blend door's not functioning, or honestly just don't know on that. But we'll just take a look at this and see if we can find this switch, and we'll replace it, and then I'll save this resistor, since I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It was the cheaper part to replace than replacing this whole thing, but now that I see this comes apart, I will see if I can find just the switch for it, and then we'll go from there. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching my video. Catch me on my next one. See you next time.